Oh, that lorry's coming. Nearly got sideswiped by a lorry.
Excellent. Well, that's it for another Meet the Fans night. It was nice to meet my fan, and yeah, we'll do another one again soon.
Want a lift?
Yeah, go on then.
I'm going to the Alfa specialist if you wanted to come and have a look.
Yeah, I'm game. Let's go. So, Martin, what's the Alfa going in for?
So, definitely a service and MOT, because I think it definitely needs one of those. But also, it's just going in for a little bit of, should we call it fettling? So you can't see it on the camera, but on the back seats there is a new wing that I tried to fit. However, all the bolts inside the wing are corroded, so I need a specialist to replace all of those.
Sorry, Alfa. The Alfa's rusty.
Yeah, but only something like surface. You know, it's nothing. You know.
That's really unusual.
Yeah,
I've never heard of an
no.
Alfa Romeo being rusty.
Well, absolutely, and likewise, you know, in the history of an Alfa, never has there ever been an electrical fault. However, the rear window isn't working, and nor's that one now. And sometimes the wipers are a little bit funny, and sometimes the infotainment screen flickers a little bit. So I'm just going to get them to have a once-over of the electrics that are all fine. They're all fine, and that headlight needs adjusting, but it's all fine.
So we're going to get a bottle of the special Italian Magic Smoke.
Yes.
Put it back in the wires.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah,
That's it.
okay.
And it'll be good for another 20 years.
Excellent.
So it's but no, it's just going in for general bits and bobs. We're going to see a gentleman called Chris at Garage 21.
Cool.
Unofficially, I think we can say that he is the owner of the largest collection of 166s in the UK, purely because he owns 3 personally. And I think there's
3?
He owns 3. God
I think
knows.
I've only ever seen 3. This one, CJ's on Twitter.
Yeah.
And I think I've seen one at a car show.
Exactly. And apparently he's got another 7 that are in for work at the moment because they're so reliable that they go in just to say hello.
Excellent.
So yeah, and apparently there's some Lancias up there, there's a Citroen XM up there, a whole plethora of Alfa Romeos. So this guy comes with a strong reputation on the social networks. I've never met him, but I thought let's go along for the ride and see what's cracking up there.
So where's he based? Is he in Nottingham?
A little bit just above. Yeah.
Oh, okay, like Chesterfield.
Field, yeah, Field, yeah.
What do you mean, Sheffield?
Huddersfield, yeah.
Huddersfield?
We're going to Huddersfield.
We're going to the road for hours. Who wants to go to Huddersfield?
Are you meant to be at work today?
Yeah. I mean, no.
Huddersfield, where dreams are made of and Alfas get fixed.
Just such a strange place in the hills. I mean, I've heard very weird people come from Huddersfield.
Well, the north is an odd place, but to be honest, you know, I'm prepared to take the gamble to find a specialist.
Dear Steph from I Drive Classic, that wasn't aimed at you. I am from Huddersfield, therefore I'm allowed to say that.
Yeah. So yeah, that's the gist of today's trip. There is also common Alfa faults. So there is a common Alfa fault that if you fit a new steering wheel to an Alfa Romeo, no matter how precise you are with the notches you put the new wheel on, it will not sit properly. So I've got a wooden steering wheel on this car at the moment that is squeaking a little bit because it's too tight. So
Squeaking an Alfa?
yeah,
it's unheard of.
Not rattling, just squeaking. So yeah, it's just those little bits. Obviously last year I got the exhaust done, got a new radiator in, got new basically the front suspension rebuilt. So hopefully in terms of an MOT it will go through pretty easily, but it's just making sure that this car is used. I did 350 miles on it yesterday. You know, it is being used as our backup car for work, so I want to make sure it works.
That's good. It's quite interesting actually, because an Alfa of any type, certainly of this age, is generally something that people would keep as a garage queen and maybe don't use every day, although interestingly CJ does use his quite regularly.
Yeah.
But while it sounds like there's an awful lot of work needing doing this car, it is being used every day, and it's what, 20 25 years old now?
20 actually. It's,
20?
Yeah, it's 20.
It's a baby at 20.
It's a spring chicken. It's one of the late Mark 1s. It was on a 52 plate originally. But you know, when you look at it though, the thing is, when you find the right specialist, all we're really talking about is a couple of months payments on a Mercedes, you know, on a lease or whatever. So it's not as bad as you think, because for the rest of the year I put fuel in it. Fine, I get 30 to the gallon, which isn't great, but petrol's cheaper than diesel. So I don't know. It's
not bad for a 3-litre V6 that sounds like that.
Exactly. I mean, man maths to me means that it's worth it for the noise. Cut to the noise. Oh, that lorry's coming. Nearly got sideswiped by a lorry.
Excellent. We're driving to Yorkshire in the heaving rain with a car that has occasionally temperamental wiper blades on the M1. What could possibly go wrong?
We'll find out in an hour and 33 minutes.
Yeah, I mean, this video at the moment is about us going to see an Alfa specialist. It might be about us waiting for a recovery wagon at this rate.
Help us. But no, I'm excited.
Right, I'm going to turn the camera off and let him concentrate, because it really is raining quite a lot at the moment. And we'll catch up when we are somewhere in God's own country. Right, we are nearly at Garage 21. So far, so good.
So far, so good. Touch wood. It's the reason I bought a wooden steering wheel, you know, so that I've always got wood to touch when I talk about this Alfa Romeo. I think we might be somewhere near the right place.
Yep.
Oh, that didn't sound nice.
Nope, that sounded like a top mount that's loose.
Did it?
Yep. Nice and quiet in here.
Yeah. Where do we think it is? I might not be in the right place. Do you reckon it's up there?
Possibly. Should we give a nosy?
Yeah.
Lovely weather for it. I don't know why you wanted to drive up here rather than walk. I'd have walked.
Yeah.
It's still summer in Yorkshire.
That's it. Garage 21. I can see the logo. There's a 166. This is a bit horrible.
There's another 166.
Another 166 at the end as well. I see it is literally unit 21. There's another 166.
Another 166.
I'll just park it up here, shall I, for now? You got a coat?
Yeah. So, as you can see, we have made it to a very sunny Yorkshire. But we're here at Garage 21. Ta-da! I think we may have come to the right place, because 166, 166, 166, 166, and 166. And inside there is a couple of 166s. So yeah, this is the place, and I'm gonna zoom in and show you the logo, which I think is the coolest thing ever. Obviously, if you know what an Alfa Romeo logo looks like, I think we may be at the right place, don't you? So, with the kind permission of the owners at the garage here, I'm going to show you a little bit of some of the amazing stuff that is here. One Alfa 166 in, actually, I'm going to go and zoom in on this. The most gorgeous, I don't know how well the camera picks this up, this beautiful dark green metallic. So it's hiding in here over winter. I believe this is going up for sale shortly, so keep your eyes peeled for that. I don't know what all of these are, but I do know they're all Alphas. There's a Mini that's being worked on here. Surprisingly, another 166. This one has a little bit of a paint issue. And then, look at this, a 164. Looks like it's having all the interior redone, but isn't that a stunning machine? And then, oh, a Citroen XM. That's a very cool wee beast. Not the only one that's here, actually. If I look back this way, you can see there's another one here as well, which is cool. Another cloverleaf up on the ramps. And the new courtesy car of Garage 21, this amazingly unexceptional Laguna, which is great, just being finished off and put back on the road for another customer. But it is now time for us to go and grab our courtesy car and get on the road, because we need to get back. Right, well, we are in the courtesy car in Huddersfield?
Okay, so I was a little bit off, I will admit that. But they're all so close to each other, and Yorkshire's Yorkshire, right?
Yeah, so we're actually in Fax Vegas, kind of on the border of Bradford. But now we're going to Rippenden, so a complete another part of
Yes,
Yorkshire. But we are in the little Fabia courtesy car, which we'll show you in a second.
Yeah, we'll have a little drive and go from there. But first things first, demist the windscreen.
Yes, so you're not going to be able to hear a thing. Bye! Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.